In this video, we are going to learn about electronic spreadsheet. First, let us see active cell. Active cell means what? Before entering any data in the cell, it has to be first selected. Okay, it has to be first selected. That cell is called as what? Active cell. This selected cell or activated cell is called as what? Active cell. At the same time, this active cell always highlighted with thick border, always highlighted in thick border. Okay, how to move the active cell with around the worksheet? Let us see arrow keys. If you want to move the active cell up and down means left to right means you have to use arrow keys. Arrow keys is called as what? Navigation keys. Up and down, left, right. Okay, and then another one combination key is what? Control plus arrow keys. So see here, I can press control plus arrow keys. Automatically, the cell will be moved at the end of the document. Okay, at the end of the document. Again, I will press control plus left arrow key. Automatically, the cursor moves from the beginning of the worksheet. Okay, this is the way you have to move the cell one place to another. Suppose if you want to move the cell up and down, left to right means you have to use arrow keys. Suppose if you want to move the cursor at end of the worksheet means you have to use control plus down arrow, control plus up arrow, control plus left arrow, control plus right arrow. So see here, control plus left arrow, control plus right arrow, control plus up, control plus down, control plus left. Okay. So this is the way you have to move the cursor one place to another. Next, let us see range of cells. What do you mean by range of cells? A range of cells means a block of adjacent cells in a worksheet, which is highlighted or selected is called as range of cells. Suppose when you are writing in your note, ranges this like, how will you write? Equal to, okay, 1 to 10. This is the range. Okay, manually you have to write the range in your notebook. But in Excel sheet, you have to write the range equal to, okay, and then A1 is to A2. This is for what? Range. This is for what? Range. Okay, so this is to is indicates for what? Range. That means A1 to A2. A1 to A2. Suppose, let us see column range. Okay, so already you know A, B, C, D, E, F. These are all what? Column letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all what? Row numbers. Okay. So, suppose if you want to select column range means the cell address is represented by a single column. Okay, single column and multiple row numbers. See here, multiple row numbers. Okay, so for example, F is a column 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all what? Row numbers. This is called as what? Column range. Okay, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. These are all what? Column range. Suppose if you want to select row range means row is a constant but column letters are changed. Column letters are changed. Okay. So see here B7, C7, D7, E7, F7 and then G6. This is for what? Row range. Okay, column range means column letter constant, row numbers is different. But row range means row constant, column letters are changed. Okay. Next, let us see row and column range. So see here, I can select 2 rows, okay, and then 2 columns, C, D. So C5 is a range first, okay, C5 colon D10. C5 colon D10, this is the range, okay. C5 colon D10. This is for what? Row column range. Okay. So single column means same value. That means E5 to E11. Okay. E5 to E11. Row range means B7 to F7. B7 to F7. Suppose row and column range means C6. So see here, C6 to F12. C6 to F12. This is for what? Row range. Okay. Next, you have to enter the data in three ways. Okay. Suppose the data to be entered can be label. Okay. Label means what? Text. Okay. And then values. Value means what? Numbers. And then you have to enter formula also. You have to enter the data into cell, label, value, and formula. Okay. First, let us see label. What do you mean by label? Label is the any text entered by using a keyboard. Okay. So in this table, name, okay, Ria, Anu, these are all what? Labels. These are all what? Labels. And then class, section, and then these are all what? Labels. Okay. At the same time, it may combine with the letters, numbers, and special symbols also. I think so. See here, email ID is also label. Ria@gmail.com, this also label. Anuj@gmail.com, this also label. Okay. So label means what? It any text. It any text. At the same time, it may combine with the letters, numbers, and special symbols. Okay. By default, the labels are aligned. Labels are aligned left alignment. Labels are aligned left alignment. In default, labels are aligned left alignment. See here, this is label, this is label, this is label. Okay. Default, the labels are aligned in left alignment. Okay. And the next, let us see values. Okay. What do you mean by values? Value means what? Numerical data. That means only numbers. Okay. That numbers in default aligned in cell right alignment. Right alignment. So see here, you have to see this telephone. So telephone is a label, but this is numbers. This is for what? Numbers. That means for what? Values. That values are aligned in right alignment. Aligned in cell right alignment. Okay. Next, let us see formula. You have to enter the formula in cell also. Okay. For example, before you are entering the formula, you have to mention equal to symbol. You have to mention equal to symbol. For example, 20 and then 10. Okay. And then equal to, okay, 20 plus 10. Before you are apply any formula into the cell means you have to use first equal to symbol. At the same time, you have to use inbuilt function also. What do you mean by inbuilt functions? That means predefined formula. That means for what? Predefined formula. Okay. Just you have to kept in your mind just one note, the values do not display the preceding zero. Suppose the phone number, okay, so see here, this is for what? Phone number. Before you are entering zero means, before entering zero means that value is not displayed on the screen because Excel does not support zero in beginning value. Okay, suppose if you want to display zero in beginning means you have to use single quotes and then zero. Single quotes and then zero. See here, single quotes and then zero. Automatically zero value is added. But that value defines for what? Labels. That values is not a value, that is for what? Labels. Okay, before you are entering any value zero means you have to use single quotes. Okay. Next, once again recall that in a spreadsheet you have to identify active cell means that is for what? Highlighted border. Okay. At the same time, if you are enter any value into the cell means first you have to select that cell. Okay, how will you select that cell? Just you have to click mouse key. Okay, or you have to use keyboard arrow keys. Okay, keyboard arrow keys means what? Navigation keys. Next, you have to enter the data into the cell, label, value and formula. Okay. Label means for what? Text. Okay. And then combination of letters and then special symbols. In default, labels are aligned in left alignment. Okay. Values means what? Numbers. In the numbers are aligned in right alignment into the cell. Okay. Next, you have to enter formula. How will you enter formula? Before entering in the formula, you have to use which symbol? Equal to symbol. After that, you have to use operators and then numbers. Okay. This is the way you have to enter the data. There are three ways you have to enter the data. One is label, another one is values. Next one is for what? Formulas.